Hey guys, it's Morgan with The Life in Crafting, and today I'm sharing how to cut chipboard with your Cricut Maker. Chipboard cutouts make great embellishments for DIYs and home decor, and it's super easy to cut them out. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's get to crafting.
To cut out chipboard, you'll need a Cricut Maker and a knife blade. This allows you to cut up to 2 millimeters of chipboard, basically anything that will fit through your machine. The most important step when working with chipboard is to make sure you calibrate your machine. This will make sure that the Cricut's many cuts will line up and you'll be able to punch out your image. You're going to go to the hamburger menu and follow the instructions there. Basically grab a sheet of blank computer paper and the machine is going to cut a series of lines, and then you're going to select on the screen which one lines up the best, and that's how your machine gets calibrated. So for my machine, it was the 5th line that had the best overlap, and then I hit close. Now that the machine's calibrated, it's time to pick out your design. Today I'm going to do lemons to get ready for my spring decor. When picking an image for chipboard, it's important that it has bold lines. You don't want anything to be thinner than the width of a pencil, or else that may break your blade and cause some issues. I like this design and I added some slight modifications. I removed the 2 bottom layers as well as the sort of accent cut that it had in that lighter shade of yellow. This way I'm just left with the leaf and the actual lemon. So those are separated. I'm gonna adjust the lemon size to make it bigger. I'm planning on trying to make a banner with it, but I'll save that for a later video. I'm gonna extend the leaf as well. Because I'm cutting them with the same material, I made them that same yellow color. You're going to scroll down and make sure you select the basic cut, and it's already set up on that. And now it's time to prep our machine. You want to make sure that it's spread out at least 1/4 inch from the top. You can hit browse all materials and type in chipboard. I have it saved already, but I'm using 1.5 millimeter setting today. I'm leaving it at the default pressure, and now it's time to insert your mat. I placed the chipboard on my strong grip mat, and I'm also attaching it with some painter's tape to make sure it's fully secure and does not move around. Keep in mind that the knife blade is super powerful. If it's cutting this material, you want to make sure it stays in place. Before you start your cut, you want to make sure you move these star wheels off to the sides. If you leave them on there, it will damage your material and ruin your cut. And it's time to start the cut. There's going to be a lot of passes on this, so this is a great time to prep your other crafts or just sit back and relax. You can see that there's going to cut 12 passes, and it does take a little bit of time, and you'll see it takes 5 minutes to cut out this image. Once it's done, you can either have it do another pass, or if it looks good to go, remove it from your Cricut Maker. And that's it. You can see it's cut right there. Check out the finished product. I could not believe how easy it is to cut out chipboard using your Cricut Maker, and I love adding it to DIYs and projects.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to cut chipboard with your Cricut Maker. I'm Morgan with The Life in Crafting. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.